tour of 198 Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek. Come into the room. Here's the first bathroom of the 2-bedroom condo. Toilet, tub, shower, and a single vanity. In this closet, we have our own, each unit has its own washer and dryer combo. And here we have my 2 kids, Derek, Claire, and there are 2 beds. There's a 2-bedroom in here, 1 closet, and we also have the dresser and their own TV. Guys, did you like staying in this room this week?
Yes.
Yeah? Enough room for you too? Yeah? All right. Love you guys. Good night. Come out of their room, back into the entryway. Here's the dining room. Into the kitchen. We have a refrigerator, stove and oven, microwave. There's a blender, coffee pot, and a dishwasher. Pretty much everything you need if you actually have time to make some dinner here. Coming into the living room. Excuse all of our luggage, we're getting ready to leave. We have a TV, couch, 2 chairs, an awesome little patio. Not the greatest view, we're on the first floor of Tower 5, but actually my car's right over there, our rental car. So it's gonna be pretty nice and easy to pack up. Coming in here to the master bedroom. King bed. A double bathtub. 1 sink in here. Another sink in here. Toilet. Shower, no tub in here. But it is actually an unbelievable room for the price that you can get it for. Highly recommend it. And we can't wait to come back here again. Here's a quick walkthrough of the outdoor area of the resort that I've sped up a little bit for you guys. This is the outside of Tower 5. Out here we have a lazy river, and if you come back here on the left, there is also a hot tub. If you guys find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. It'll go a long way in helping this channel grow. Up here on the left, there is a grilling station. It's first come, first serve. We never had the opportunity to use it, just too busy going to the parks, but it seems like it's a pretty awesome place to hang out. This is Tower 6. Had a little bit of construction going on this year, but it really didn't take away from the rest of the area. Up here on the right was the pirate ship water slide, which my kids loved to go down all week. Here's also the pool. And in the back left over here, there were 2 hot tubs that almost never had anybody in them. Here we're continuing our walk through the resort. A lot of beautiful sights and awesome activities and areas to check out along the way. Coming up here on the left is another pool. Coming up here on the right, we have the pond with the fountains and the towers. Absolutely beautiful at night, as well during the day. We came down in the beginning of December. They had the resort decked out with all kinds of Christmas and holiday decorations. Here we have a quick map of the resort, and also my buddy Ralph, who's super excited that we're getting close to the pizzeria. Here we're walking up to one of the many bars on property. This is where we were able to pick up our pizza. They also had a pool in this area, which was down for renovations while we were there.